Welcome back to the channel. We were not for a while because we're setting up good stuff for you. We have new cubes
and new unboxing videos,
and we have new modifications coming up for you. So whoa. Somebody's knocking at the door. Open. That's weird.
Dad, there's a box.
What? Wait.
There.
Eduardo Mendoza. Yeah. What's up in my customs? What is that? Now look at this. Whoa! Wow! Look at this detail. Wow! Now let's check this in details. Besides the excitement we have from this cube, basically it's a 3x3 with extended epoxy parts. So you can see the level of detail is pretty much awesome. You have the eyes, the nostril, teeth, the details on the head, the division that you have in the skull. And you can see, well, basically this is the only piece that is not modified. They have the details on the head, the division that you have in the skull, we normally have in the skull, and it helps out how at the moment to solve the cube, it will help you a lot to locate the proper piece. Now, in terms of move, it's pretty much okay. See, now people were asking me in the social media how about what's going on with the jaw. Well, the jaw is part of the stand, so if you want a complete skull, you need the jaw, and then you have a proper stand that is also made from epoxy. And then you have, well, the number 2 is the second, I believe he made it. Thank you so much, Eduardo. His logo here. Then you have that. Put in here. You can put the jaw there, and you have your skull. Don't forget to subscribe
And like in the video.
Don't forget the bell
and give us notifications.
Don't forget the bell for notification.
And get a big slap on the big blue like button. And bye!
Give us a big fat like for these silly videos. I hope you have fun. Bye.